Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about rule number 2. It is a simple and powerful rule. The name of the rule number 2 is that do not study cram rules. Do not do it. I know it is a surprise for many people, and because we are we have been told to study cram rules for many years in secondary school, in high school, in university, and in language school, and so on. Everywhere. We already we we have been always been told to study grammar rules. And I want to ask you a question. Can you speak English easily, quickly, and automatically? If the answer is no, why not? We have already learned English for many years, but it's not your fault because teachers told you to do so. And the reason is the whole sales is that we focus too much on grammar rules. Focus too much on grammar rules. We are analyzing English. We think about English, and when you write, it is okay because you have time. You don't need to write fast. You can go slowly, you can write slowly, and when you make mistakes, you can erase, okay? But when you listen or speak, you don't have time. There is no time. When anyone asks you a question, you must answer it immediately, okay? And you don't have time to think about rules for verb tenses, for passive voice or preposition, and so on. So you must answer it immediately. How do native speakers learn grammar rules? AJ Holt is a native speaker, and we told to us that they never, he never learned grammar rules until high school or in college, but just for writing but for speaking he doesn't. And he says we the best way for us to learn grammar rules is through input. We can read or listen to easy English. We can read easy novels, easy story. But most of the time you should use for listening, listening to easy English. Okay, so it is rule number two. To not study grammar rules. So I advise you not to use textbook or listening to textbook CDs. They are useless and don't you help you, and they don't help you anything. They don't help you improve your English. Okay, it is rule number 2, and I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching. I have completed rule number 2 by AJ Ho.